In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zoom subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open any web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you prefer. Once you have that open, go ahead and type in zoom.com or zoom.us in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll want to log into your account. Now, I want to mention that if you're using the Zoom desktop app instead of a web browser, there's an easier way to get to your account settings. Just click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the app. From there, select Settings. Once there, look for the tab that says Profile and select View My Subscription. This action will automatically direct you to the website. Okay. So whether you logged in through the website or through the app, you're now looking at your account dashboard. Take a moment to explore if you'd like, but we have a specific goal today, so let's keep focused. Look towards the upper portion of the screen where you'll find several menu options. You need to click on My Account. This should direct you to a new page dedicated to managing your account. Now you're going to see a variety of options on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for Plans and Billing. If you don't see it right away, just click on your profile image and you might find it in the drop-down menu. Click on that option. Once you're in the Plans and Billing section, you'll see information about your current subscription plan. This is where it gets a bit more crucial. Look for the heading that says Plan Management. Under this section, there's a button that says Manage next to your active paid plan. Go ahead and click that. Now we're getting to the real meat of the process. After clicking Manage, you should see several options related to your subscription. What we're interested in is the option to cancel your subscription. So go ahead and click the button that says Cancel Plan. At this point, Zoom is going to ask if you're really sure about canceling. It's a good time to think it over, but if you're certain that you want to proceed, simply click Confirm. And just like that, you have successfully canceled your Zoom subscription. Now, you should receive a confirmation email shortly, which will help you keep track of your cancellation. Make sure to check your inbox for that confirmation so you have that peace of mind. And remember, if you ever decide to come back to Zoom, you can always resubscribe anytime you wish. So that wraps up our tutorial on how to cancel your Zoom subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll